नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are in for the upper primary semi-final science quiz challenge. The teams, straight away I would like to introduce you to the teams. Team B comprises of Divisha, Pankhudi, Navya, Sarika, Tanishka, Shivi, Jay, Prabal, Pratik, forming a team F, Abhay, Riddhi, Tanya, forming up team H. I would like to make it clear, 2 teams out of these 4 will qualify for the finals. Right? जजेस की जिस पे भी दया दृष्टि हो जाएगी वो पहुंच जाएंगे. Please join your hands together for the jury members. आपके ग्रुप मेंबर्स, चीफ जूरी मेंबर कांग्रेस मैम तो अभी आनी है और उनका साथ देने के लिए हमारी बायोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट शुभांगी मैम, टाइम will be taken care of by the time manager Kritika ma'am, and I'll be with you, the facilitator, your quiz master. I'll try to be at the required pace, not very fast, not very slow, at a pace which will be convenient to you, right? The first round will be the buzzer round. The buzzer round, as you already are familiar with the rules, after I have finished the question reading, you get 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, the team pressing the buzzer first, that is, the team throwing the ball first, will get a chance to answer my question. In case your answer is correct, you will get 5 marks for your correct answer. But this is a negative marking round. In case you do not answer correctly, you lose 3 marks. The next round will be a regulation 1. I'll be coming to each team 4 times. That is a pass round, but does not have a negative marking. The last round, all participants should pay heed to my advice. You should not be in unnecessary hurry. It will have 21 marks for the grab. 7 questions are to be answered by you in 70 seconds. For each correct answer, you will get 3 marks. Of course, for a wrong answer, no marks will be subtracted. 0 will be added. Right? So, we are starting with the first one. Before I start, I want the audience to fill this hall with energy. Let's go. Now let's start. Red kings, hands on the buzzer. The question is, how many quintals make 1 metric ton? How many quintals make 1 metric ton? Yes, Team F. I said Was my question not clear to you? My question was, how many quintals make 1 metric ton? I did not ask you how many kilograms are there in 1 quintal. So you did not get my question. You are starting on a negative footing. You lose 3 marks. The answer is 10. Let's start. Ready? Don't be in unnecessary hurry, but in case you know the answer, do not delay to throw the ball. Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. The question is, solute and solvent mix together to form a... Yes, team D. Solution is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question number 3. Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. The question is... Ready, get your ball. Please help them. Yes. So, the question is, name the female part of a flower. Yes, I will have to go to the judges. Team F, your answer is? Pistil is absolutely correct, and you get 5 marks for the correct answer. Last question of this round. Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. The question is, please help them. Please help them. What are you doing, managers? Where are you lost? Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. 9. You can't drop it so much. No. You will have to keep your hands parallel to the table. None of the team should have your hands below the table. Below the table will not be accepted, and in case you are already below the table, the judges will disqualify your team. It should not be below the table. Okay. Ready, teams? I said hands on the buzzer, not below the table. And my question is, which type of motion does not have any fixed path? Yes, again, F. Non-periodic motion. The question was not clear to you. Non-periodic motion does not have a scheduled time. No, I cannot give you second chance after the time is over. For the benefit of the audience, I would like to tell you, it is the random motion. The answer is random motion. We have completed this round, and after the completion of this round, the scores are: B, haven't opened; H, haven't opened; F, -1; and D, they are the leaders. Please join your hands together for them. 5. Well, teams, we are starting the regulation round, and the regulation round I will be starting with Team B. Team B, your question is, which of the following is used for making gunny bags? A, cotton; B, jute; C, wool; D, linen. Which of the following is used for making gunny bags? Cotton, jute, wool, linen. Cotton is not correct. Passes to you, Team D. Jute is correct. You get 3 marks for your correct answer. Question for you, Team D. And your question is, which of the following will float on water? A. Apple. B. Stone. C. Eraser. D. Coin. Which of the following will float on water? Apple, stone, eraser, coin. Coin will float on water? What are you saying? F.
Rubber. Eraser.
Eraser is not correct. Passes to you. 10 seconds over. Go to the audience in case anyone. Yes? Stone floats on water. What are you talking? Apple is absolutely correct. You may collect your copy from the judges. Well, the next question is for Team F, and your question is, which of the following objects cannot be made from wool? Table. Which of the following objects cannot be made from wool? From wood. Which of the following objects cannot be made from wood? A. Table. B. Cooking utensils. C. Chair. D. Blackboard. Cooking utensil is correct. 5 marks for you. Question for you. Team H, your question is, cream is separated from milk by A. Filtration. B. Sedimentation and decantation. C. Evaporation. D. Centrifugation. Filtration is not correct. Passes to Team B.
Sedimentation. So it's a distillation.
Is not correct. Passes to D. Is not correct. Answer, anyone? Yes. Okay.
Sedimentation and decay.
नो कभी दूध से मक्खन निकालते नहीं देखा है? क्या आपने दूध से क्रीम निकालते नहीं देखा? Nobody knows it. Okay, let me give you a chance. Yes. फिल्ट्रेशन से. इसीलिए गांव के बच्चे साइंस में ज्यादा बेहतर होते हैं. शहर के बच्चे कुछ देखते ही नहीं है. आपने आज तक कभी दूध से क्रीम निकालते नहीं देखा. वो उससे पहले ऐसे ऐसे बिलोते हैं. आप बोले नहीं, अब हम नहीं बोलेंगे, पहले सुनिए. नहीं, डी क्या है वो? आप यू शुड नो द प्रोसेस. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. क्या है वो? सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. राइट? सबको समझ में आया? वो जो ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं दूध को, उसको कहते हैं दूध को बिलोना गांव में. एंड दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन दैट गिव्स यू द क्रीम. ठीक है? सो आफ्टर दिस राउंड अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू अपडेट द स्कोर. Team D are still the leaders with 9 points. Sorry, 8 points. And 4 others haven't opened their account. Please help me. The next card. You, Team H. And your question is, which of the following plants is a herb? A. Rose. B. Mango. C. Coriander. D. Hibiscus. Which of the following plants is a herb? Rose, mango, coriander, hibiscus.
Coriander.
Coriander is correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. Team F. Which of the following is not a part of flower? A. Stamen. B. Sepal. C. Node. D. Petal. Is not a part of a flower. Stamen, sepal, node, petal.
Option C, node.
Option C, node is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question to you, team D. Your question is, which of the following are producers? A. Flesh-eating animals. B. Green plants. C. Bacteria. D. Grass-eating animals. Which of the following are producers? Flesh-eating animals, green plants, bacteria, grass-eating animals. Green plants, after a bit of hesitation, comes the answer, but you are absolutely correct. Question for you, team B. And your question is, the plant adapted for desert habitat is A. Cactus, B. Lotus, C. Mango, D. Eucalyptus. Cactus is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. This round, I'll be starting with you, team B. And your question is, a motion that repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. A. Rotary motion. B. Non-periodic motion. C. Periodic motion. D. Random motion. Periodic motion is absolutely correct. You get 5 marks. Question for you, team D. And your question is, a striker hitting a coin on a carom board makes A. Rectilinear motion, B. Oscillatory motion, C. Rotary motion, D. Random motion. A striker hitting a coin on a carom board makes rectilinear motion, oscillatory motion, rotary motion, random motion. Rectilinear motion is correct. 5 marks for you. Question for you, team F. And your question is, the spinning moment of Earth on its axis is a dash motion. A. Translatory motion. B. Oscillatory motion. C. Rotary motion. D. Random motion. Translatory, oscillatory, rotary, random.
Oscillatory motion.
Oscillatory is not correct. Passes to you, team H.
Random motion.
Random is not correct. Passes to you, team B.
Oscillatory motion.
Oscillatory is not correct. Audience. Yes. Circulatory is not correct.
Option A, translatory.
Translatory is not correct. Okay, I'll give you the answer. It is rotary motion. Okay. It is the spinning moment of the earth. Why don't you understand that? And the last question is for team H. And your question is, 3.5 kilometer is equal to A. 35 centimeter, B. 350 centimeter, C. 3,500 millimeter. D. 3,500 meter. 3.5 kilometer is equal to 35 centimeter, 350 centimeter, 3,500 millimeter, 3,500 meter. Time passing.
Option D.
Option D.
Up.
Time up.
35 centimeters.
The last round of the regulation round. I'll be starting with you, Team H. Which of the following is a bodybuilding nutrient? Bodybuilding. A. Fat. B. Carbohydrates. C. Protein. D. Vitamin. Protein is correct. You get 5 marks. Question for you, Team F. And your question is, which of the following food items is eaten without cooking? A. Cucumber. B. Potato. C. Rajma. D. Rice. A. Cucumber is correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Team D. Your question is, which of the following is not a storage root? A. Sweet potato. B. Carrot. C. Turnip. D. Pea. Which of the following is not a storage root? Sweet potato, carrot, turnip, pea. Turnip is not correct. Passes to you.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato is not correct. Passes to you. स्वीट पोटैटो कभी खाया नहीं आप लोगों ने? ऑप्शन डी क्या था? टाइम अप. यस.
DP.
Option D, P is absolutely correct. You can collect your toffee from the judges. Please join your hands together for me. The regulation round, the scores are Team B 10, Team H 10, Team F are placed second with 14 and Team D are the leaders with 18. We are starting the rapid fire round. You need to change your gear. Teams, this round I'll be starting with Team B. Ready? 70 seconds, 7 questions. And your time starts now. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin B6. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Delayed clotting of blood is due to deficiency of vitamin K. True or false? False is not correct. Poor mental health is one of the symptoms of marasmus. Straight or googly? Googly is not correct. ORS is given to a person suffering from obesity. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
No, I was joking. Sodium is required for proper functioning of nervous system. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
No. Midday meal scheme is a program launched by government for children in primary classes. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Sardines are rich in healthy fats. True or false?
False.
False is not correct. So you answered only 2 correct. 3, 2 just 6 makes it 16. Please join your hands together for them. Next, I'll start with team H. Team H, 7 questions, 70 seconds. And your time starts now. Hard materials can be easily scratched. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Correct. Gum, latex, resin are some plant secretions useful to us. True or false?
False.
Is not correct. An object is said to be at motion if it does not change its position. Straight or googly? Googly is correct. The roots always grow away from the ground. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
No, I was joking. Non-living things do not respond to stimulus. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct is correct. Movement occurs only when external force is applied. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Viruses require a living cell to reproduce. True or false?
True.
True is correct. So I asked them 7. They answered 5 correct. 5 threes are 15. 25 is a good score. Ready? 7 questions, 70 seconds. And if you answer correctly, you can grab 21 points. So, ready? Your time starts now. Kwashiorkor can be cured by giving a protein-rich diet. Agree or disagree? A person suffering from obesity is at a greater risk of heart attack and diabetes. True or false? True is correct. The sources of animal protein are butter, ghee and cheese. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Straight is correct. Cramps may be caused due to dehydration. Serious or joking?
Joking.
No, I was serious. Cellulose is a protein present in the cell wall of plants. Wrong or correct?
Pass.
Pass. Deficiency of fluorine does not cause dental caries, cavities. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree is not correct. Excessive intake of aerated drinks may cause weak bones, destruction of enamel. True or false? True is correct. Time up. So I cannot go to the past question now. They answered 3 correct. 3 threes are 9. Added to your tally takes you to 23. Your turn. You got to be very speedy in this round. But think before you go for your answer. Okay? Ready? And so is the time manager. Your time starts now. Frosted glass is translucent. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Materials through which one cannot see at all are opaque. True or false? False is not correct. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called its transparency. Straight or googly? Not correct. Shampoo is immiscible in water. Serious or joking? No, I was joking. Silk does not catch fire easily. Correct or wrong? Wrong is not correct. Weaving is done using looms. Agree or disagree? Agree is correct. Gun cotton is not an explosive made from cotton. True or false? False is correct. I asked them 7. They answered 3 correct. 3 3s are 9. Makes you 27. Oh, it's been very close. So, Team D and Team H have qualified for the finals. Best luck to Team F. Team F, you really started well. I do not know how you made a mistake in the last round. And Team B, you need a lot of improvement. Doesn't matter, there is always next time. To my friends who have been watching this video, I would like to say it is your encouragement which has kept us going. Thank you for encouraging us. I hope this video also will be liked by you. And if you do like this video, please share this video and do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.